Okay, what I got here is a cheap little Bluetooth thing I bought for about 50 cents at Walmart. It's an IWorld brand, so I'm not sure if they're 50 cents everywhere, but you know, for 50 cents to get a rechargeable battery sounds good to me. So I'm going to unbox this up here and check it out. So we have a Bluetooth module here, microphone, USB charging, auxiliary input. Comes with a little charger wire. I'll need that. I collect those. I use so many. And this little audio jack adapter, which will come in handy for something one day, I'm sure. So let's take this thing apart here. It says it's got a 3.7 volt DC battery. Not bad. Sounds good to me. Let's open her up. And that's the easy one. Comes right out. Got a button there. This is the module itself. You can see the Bluetooth antenna, microphone, the on-off button. There's the prize right there. There's a nice battery. A nice 50 cents rechargeable battery. So I like to save a little room just in case I want to power these things again. So I'll cut it just right about here. Should give me enough wire to work with on both ends. Alright, there's one off. There's the second one off. Now I'll just give these a nice strip. Try to do it without destroying the wire. There's one. And we'll get this ground stripped. And there goes that one. So now I'll test it out. See how much juice we're working with here. I got a Pro Micro hooked up there. But you know what? Let me put the battery in before I connect the Pro Micro. Give these wires a little twist. Alright. Throw the ground and ground. And the red and positive. If it'll get in there, I might have to twist it a little more. Okay. Let's try it now. Alright, they're in there. As good as they're gonna get. Now, let's plug the Pro Micro in and see what happens. Got raw to positive and ground to ground. And we got absolutely nothing. So let's test this with an LED. Make sure this thing is charged. I'll put this here and this here. Now I'm gonna have to retwist this wire. I was really hoping to have a 50-cent battery to charge to operate my Arduinos, but it's looking like either it needs to be charged more or there's just not enough voltage in it. Alright, we got the battery hooked up here, and I am not getting any glow from the LED. So, either the battery needs to be charged or it's just not strong enough. I'm guessing it needs to be charged maybe. Let me charge it and see what happens.